Bonjour mes élèves. Dans cette classe, nous allons apprendre les pronoms interrogatifs. Good morning students. In this class, we are going to learn interrogative pronouns. First we will see what is the locale. Okay, first we will see what is the locale because locale is a main role in the interrogative pronouns. Locale is a main role in the interrogative pronouns. What is the meaning of locale in English? Which one? Meaning of locale, which one? And it is not two separate words. Locale, it is not two separate words. It is one single word. Locale, it is one single word. And you know very well whether the nouns are classified masculine, feminine plural in French. It is very important to learn interrogative pronouns. Locale is the interrogative word which corresponds to the English which one. It offers as a choice between member of a group of people or things that have already been mentioned. Locale is variable and must agree with the number and gender of the nouns that is replaces. Okay, listen here. First, we have four types of interrogative pronouns. First one is locale. Meaning of locale, which one? Masculine, singular. Locale is masculine, singular. Locale. Locale meaning which one? Feminine, singular. Locale. Locale meaning which ones? Masculine, plural, and other one locale. Which ones? Feminine, plural. Locale. Locale replaces masculine, singular noun. Locale replaces masculine, singular noun. Locale, which replaces feminine, singular noun. Locale, which replaces feminine, singular noun. Locale, if the noun in plural form. If the singular noun in plural form, we use locale. Okay. How to identify plural form? It's a locale masculine. Within S it is masculine plural. Okay. It's a masculine singular. With in S it is masculine plural. Okay. And the last one, locale. It is used the nouns which are the feminine plural. It is used the noun which are the feminine plural. Okay. Okay, listen here students. Locale replaced masculine singular noun. Locale replaced feminine singular noun. Locale replaced masculine plural noun. And locale replaced feminine plural noun. Okay. Which being according to the noun. Okay. Which is being according to the noun. Interrogative pronouns depends on the noun. For example, there are two French books. Which one do you prefer? Or which one do you want? Okay, listen here carefully. There are two French books. Amongst those, which one do you prefer? Okay, I asked you one single book. So, it replaces which one? Which one do you prefer? In French, il y a deux livres de français. Il y a deux livres de français. Lequel préférez-vous? Lequel préférez-vous? Livre, book replaces what? Book replaces what? It replaces by which one? Lequel. Why it replaces lequel? Because book is a masculine. Book is a masculine. First you should find book masculine or feminine. Okay, first you should find book masculine or feminine because we have two types of interrogative pronouns, masculine and feminine. Which one? Locale, masculine singular. Another which one? Locale, it's a feminine singular. Okay, il y a deux livres de français. Il y a deux livres de français. Lequel préférez-vous? Okay, livre, it replaces locale. Replaces locale. Okay, okay students, we will see some more examples. Okay students, here are some more examples. Now we are going to see how to format the question with pronom interrogatif. Quels sont les pronoms interrogatifs? On va utiliser lequel pour masculin, laquelle pour féminin, lesquels. Lesquels, within S it is masculine plural. Lesquels. Lesquels, double L within S it is feminine plural. Okay, let's go to the class. First example is il y a deux livres de français. Il y a deux livres de français. there are two French books. There are two French books. Here I am referring to French books. Okay, here I am referring to French books. Now we are going to answer. Il y a deux livres de français. Okay, there are two French books. I ask you, for example, I ask you, which one do you want? Okay, amongst those, which one do you want? Okay, livre. Livre is a masculine. So we have to use lequel. Lequel. Okay, lequel. Aimez-vous acheter? Aimez-vous acheter? Which one do you like to buy? Okay, which one do you like to buy? Il y a deux livres de français. There are two French books. Which one do you like to buy? Okay, livre is a masculine, so we have to use lequel. We have to use lequel for masculine. And the second sentence is, tu as acheté deux chemises. Tu as acheté deux chemises. For example, you bought two shirts. Okay, you bought two shirts, and your mother asking you, which one you are going to wear to the marriage? Which one are you going to wear to the marriage? Okay, chemise. Chemise it's a feminine. Okay, which pronoun interrogative we have to use for la chemise? Laquelle. Laquelle. Okay, it is not two separate words, it is one single word, laquelle. Okay, why we have to use laquelle? Because chemise is a feminine. Okay, laquelle. Laquelle vas-tu porter? Porter au mariage. Laquelle vas-tu porter au mariage? Okay, which one? Which one are you going to wear to the marriage? Okay, and the third example is, la semaine dernière, j'ai vu deux films français. La semaine dernière, j'ai vu deux films français. For example, my friend told me, last week I have seen two French films. Last week I have seen two French films. Then I asked to him, amongst those, which one do you like? Okay, amongst my friend, I have seen two French films. Amongst those of these films, which one do you prefer? Film it's a masculine, so we have to use lequel and tu. Lequel and tu. Which one of these films do you like? Film it's a masculine, so I used here lequel. Okay. Fourth example is, il y a des peintures. Il y a des peintures. Okay, students. We have already seen how to format the question with lequel or laquelle. Okay, now we are going to see how to format the question with which ones. Okay, which ones means it is lequel, masculine, plural. Another lequel, it is feminine, plural. Okay, listen here. Il y a des peintures. There are some paintings. For example, you go to the museum to visit the paintings. There are some paintings. Which ones of these paints do you prefer? Okay, listen here. Lequel. Why? I have written here lequel because des peintures. It's a feminine, plural. We have to use lequel for feminine, plural. Okay, lequel préférez-vous? Okay, which ones of these paints do you prefer? Okay, and the fifth example is, il y a beaucoup de fruits dans le frigo. There are lot of fruit in the fridge. Which ones of these fruit do you like to eat? Okay, which one of these fruits do you like to eat? I have written here lequel. Okay, Listen here. I have written here lequel. Why I use lequel? Because fruits the masculine plural. Fruits the masculine plural. Lequel. Aimez-vous manger? Okay. There are lot of fruit in the fridge. Which ones of these fruits do you like to eat? Do you like to eat? Okay. Last example is j'ai acheté deux voitures. J'ai acheté deux voitures. J'ai acheté deux voitures. And for example, I told my colleague I bought two cars. I bought two cars. Then he asked me which one it is very expensive. Which one is very expensive? Laquelle. Why? I have written here laquelle because voiture is a feminine. Okay. Here we have to use which one. So we can put laquelle. Laquelle est très cher. Okay. Which one is very expensive? Okay. Okay, students. We have seen the pronoun interrogative and how to format the question with the pronoun interrogative, and we have also seen some more examples. Okay, let me continue the grammar exercise from the French textbook. Okay, students, let me continue the grammar exercise from the French textbook. Take the page number 25, exercise number 6. Okay, listen here. Une amie vous raconte ce qu'elle a fait pendant le week-end. Demandez-lui de préciser, suivez le modèle. A friend tells you what she did during the weekend. Ask her, specify. Follow the model. Okay. They have given one example. Listen here. Example is j'ai lu des articles amusants. J'ai lu des articles amusants. I read funny articles. I read funny articles. Answer is a, une, lesquels. It's an expression word. Okay. A, une, lesquels. A, une, lesquels. As which ones? Okay. First you should find article. Article, masculine or feminine. Okay. Article is a masculine plural. Okay. Article replaces what? It replaces by lesquels because it's a masculine plural. Okay. J'ai lu des articles amusants. I read funny articles. Oui, lesquels? As which ones? Okay. Let's go to the exercise. First one is j'ai acheté des disques très bon marché. J'ai acheté des disques très bon marché. I bought very cheap discs. I bought very cheap discs. Okay. You should follow like the model. Okay. You should follow like the model. First you should write oui. Okay. All the sentence you should follow like this. Oui. As. First you should find disc. Disc masculine or feminine. Disc it's a masculine. It's a plural form. It's a masculine plural. So we have to use lesquels. Lesquels masculine plural. Lesquels. Okay. That's all. As which ones? J'ai acheté des disques très bon marché. I bought very cheap discs. Oui, lesquels? As which ones? Okay. Disc, it's a masculine plural. So I have written lesquels. And second one is j'ai vu un film science-fiction. J'ai vu un film science-fiction. I saw a science fiction film. I saw a science fiction film. First you should find film masculine or feminine. Okay, film it's a masculine. So we have to use lequel. Okay, First you should write then lequel. Oui, lequel. As which one? Okay, film it's a masculine. So they told, okay, I told I have seen a science fiction film. Okay, it's a singular form. Am-film, it's a singular form. So I have written lequel. Okay, lequel. J'ai vu un film science-fiction avec lequel. And the third one is j'ai appris une belle chanson tamoul. J'ai appris une belle chanson tamoul. I have learned a beautiful Tamil song. I have learned a beautiful Tamil song. Okay. Chanson. Chanson means song. Okay. Song is a feminine. Okay. Here it's a feminine singular. Une belle chanson. Beautiful Tamil song. It's a masculine. It's a feminine singular. First you should write a. We laquelle. We have to use laquelle for feminine singular. Okay, laquelle. As which one? And fourth one is j'ai rencontré mes cousines. J'ai rencontré mes cousines. I met my cousins. I met my cousins. Cousins is a third person feminine plural. Okay, which interrogative pronoun we have to use? Lequel. Lequel with double L within S. Double L within S. It's a third person feminine plural. Okay. First you should write a oui. A oui lequel. Okay. A oui. A oui lequel. As which ones? Okay. And the last one is j'ai appris une décision importante. J'ai pris une décision importante. I have taken an important decision. I have taken an important decision. Okay. Decision. Decision is the third person feminine singular. Okay. So we should use laquelle. Okay. Laquelle. J'ai pris une décision importante. I have taken an important decision. Ah oui, laquelle? Ah, as which one? Okay. Okay, students, listen here. First sentence is j'ai acheté des disques très bon marché. I bought very cheap discs. Okay. Answer is ah oui, lesquels. Why? I have written lesquels because disc. It's a disc. It's a third person masculine plural. Second one, j'ai vu un film science-fiction. J'ai vu un film science-fiction. Ah oui, lequel? Or as which one? Why I have written here lequel? Because film is a masculine singular, so we should put lequel. And third one, j'ai appris une belle chanson tamoul. J'ai appris une belle chanson tamoul. I have learned a beautiful Tamil song. Chanson. Chanson is a song. It's a third person feminine singular. So I have written laquelle. We should put laquelle. Oui, laquelle. As which one? And fourth one is j'ai rencontré mes cousines. I met my cousins. Okay, cousins it's a third person feminine plural. Oui, lesquels. As which ones? Okay. And the last one is j'ai pris une décision importante. I have taken an important decision. J'ai pris une décision importante. Ah oui, laquelle? As which one? Laquelle. We have to use laquelle for feminine. We have to use laquelle for feminine because with decision it's a feminine form. Okay. Okay, students. We have seen 6th exercise. Then let me continue. 7th exercise. Okay, students, it's the 7th exercise in the interrogative pronoun. Listen here. Posez des questions avec le pronom interrogatif. Suivez le modèle. Ask the question with the interrogative pronoun. Follow the model. They have given one example. This example. Il cherche les chaussures de sport. He is looking for sports shoes. Il cherche les chaussures de sport. He is looking for sports shoes. Question is, lesquels cherche-t-il? Lesquels cherche-t-il? Which ones is he looking for? Which one is he looking for? Why? They have used lesquels here because les chaussures it's a third person feminine plural. Okay. Les chaussures replaces what? It replaces by lesquels because chaussures it's a third person feminine plural. Okay, and listen here, they have used inversion form in the question. Okay, they have used inversion form in the question. Shash theory, it's an inversion form. To change third person il or al in the inversion form, you should put t in the middle. Okay, to change third person il or al in the inversion form, you should put t in the middle. If the verb ends with t or d, if the verb ends with t or d, we no need to put t in the middle. Okay, listen here. Let's go to the exercise. First one is je prends le blue jean. Je prends le blue jean. Here is the answer. Okay, I take blue jean. Now we are going to make the question. Okay, first you should find le blue jean, masculine or feminine. Already they have given article le. Le is a masculine, so you can identify easily. Lequel. Okay, blue jean is a masculine singular. Lequel. Now we are going to change the question in the inversion form. Lequel prends-tu? Lequel prends-tu? Which one do you take? Which one do you take? Le blue jean is a masculine singular, so I have written lequel. So we should put lequel. Okay. And next one is elle met les bottes. Elle met les bottes. She puts on the boots. She puts on the boots. Both means boots. Okay. First we should find both masculine or feminine. It's a plural form. Both it's a feminine. So it's a feminine plural. Okay. So which interrogative pronoun we have to use? It's a lequel. Lequel is a feminine form. Double L within S because both it's a feminine plural. Okay. Lequel met elle. Okay. Lequel met elle. Which ones does she puts on? Which ones does she puts on? And third one is je veux les chemises. Je veux les chemises. I want shirts. I want shirts. Okay. Chemise. Chemise is the third person feminine plural. It replaces what? It replaces by lequel. Lequel is a feminine plural. Okay. Lequel. Okay. Lequel veut tu? Okay. Which ones do you want? Okay. You understand why I have written here lequel? Because chemise is a third person feminine plural, so I have written here lequel. And the fourth one is nous lavons les pantalons. Nous lavons les pantalons. We wash the pants. We wash pants. Lavo means wash, it's a verb. Les pantalons. Les pantalons. Pantalon means pants. Okay, pants. Les pantalons is the third person masculine plural. Which interrogative pronoun we are going to use? Lequel. It's a masculine plural. Lequel is a masculine plural. Within S it's a masculine plural. Lequel lavez-vous. It's an inversion form. Lavez-vous is a inversion form. Lequel lavez-vous. Which ones do you wash? Which one do you wash? Okay, last sentence is elle cherche les saris. Elle cherche les saris. They are looking for saris. They are looking for saris. Les saris means saris. Okay. Les saris is the third person masculine plural. Okay. Which interrogative pronoun we have to use? Lequel. Okay, lequel with S it is called third person masculine plural. Okay. Lequel. Lequel cherche. Okay, listen here. The verb ends with T, so we don't need to put T in the middle. We should put subject only. Okay. Elle cherche les saris. They are looking for saris. Lesquels? Which ones? Sari. It's a masculine plural. It replaces what? It replaces by lesquels. Lesquels cherche-t-il? Which ones do they looking for? Which one do they looking for? Okay. Okay, student, listen here. First one is je prends le blue jean. Je prends le blue jean. Lequel prends-tu? Which one do you take? Okay, lequel is a masculine because le blue jean is the masculine form, so we should put lequel. And second one, elle met les bottes. She puts on the boots. Lesquelles met-elle? Les bottes is a feminine plural, so we should put lesquelles. Double L with an S, it is lesquelles. Met-elle? Lesquelles met-elle? And the third one is je veux les chemises. Lesquelles veux-tu? Je veux les chemises. I want shirts. Which ones do you want? Okay, les chemises. Les chemises is a third person feminine plural. So you should put lesquelles double L with an S. Veux-tu? Do you want? Which ones do you want? Nous lavons les pantalons. We wash the pants. Pants is a third person masculine plural. So you should put lesquelles with an S. It is third person masculine plural. Lesquelles lavez-vous? Which ones do you wash? Elle cherche les saris. They are looking for saris. It's a third person masculine plural. So we should put lesquelles. Lesquelles within S. It is called third person masculine plural. Lesquelles. Cherche-t-il? Which ones they are looking for? Okay, students. We have completed le pronom interrogatif and some exercise also. We will meet next class.